going to be upgrading the internal storage of my PS5. So I've had it since July, so I've had it for about 5-6 months now, and I'm going to upgrade the internal storage to this. So I've got a NVMe drive by WD Black. I've got an SN850 NVMe drive. So if you're wondering, this is a 500 gigabytes storage. So you must be wondering, oh Ken, why are you going for 500 gig and not for like something like 1 terabyte or bigger? I currently have roughly around 500 gigabytes of storage left on the PS5 internal storage at the moment, and I only need another 500 gigabytes because I don't want to store too many games and have the same problem that I have that I had with my PS4, where I had like a 4 terabyte drive, but I had just loads and loads of games stored, but I wasn't actually playing any games. So what I want to do now is I want to try and play one game at a time, complete it, then move on to the next one. And I have another SSD drive from Crucial. I got this. I have the Crucial X6. So this is again 500 gig, but I got another 1 terabyte because I got a lot of PS4 games that I need to get through on my backlog as well. So again, I'm gonna store some on there, but as I play them and complete them, then I'll just remove them from the drive. So let's get into it. So I've already loosened the back plate already. Okay. So I'm gonna get my Phillips screwdriver. There. So this drive has already got the heatsink already pre-installed, and I got this off Amazon. I can link it in the description below. I think I paid about £60 or around £63 for it, which is not bad for a 500 gig drive. Okay. Remove the screw. Secure it in place. Cover back on. Screw. And that literally is it. So once I power it back on, the PS5 would initiate the drive and check just to make sure that the read speeds are up to scratch, and then it will be ready to go. So that is the video, guys. Thank you for staying to the end. Thank you to all my subscribers and to my new subscribers. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you all shortly in the next video.